In this video, I am going to show you how you can add product on your YouTube store. But before you start, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Let's back to this topic. When you active your store, you will see a menu in your YouTube channel and you will see I already published many products on there. Let me show you how you can do that by yourself. If you want to see this option, you have to go on earning section and then shopping, and you will see a option stores, and here you can see you can add your store. You can easily integrate your store by using this list. You can pick any company, and here you can see when you add product, you will see all the list here and you can easily display on your YouTube channel. Let's see my store. If I click on that button, you can see this is my store, and this is basically a separate website that is integrated to my YouTube channel, and you can do the same. Just you have to simply click on add store and then you can pick that one. Just select the three dot and click add new store, and then you can make a store like this. It's very simple, okay? And you can customize it, and make sure you have to integrate your store fast. So let's see how you can integrate a store. First of all, click on three dot and hit add store and choose anyone from them. My favorite is fourth wall. You can also pick anyone that is favorite for you. Fourth wall is very user friendly and high quality, and you can easily sell your digital product on that. And the best part is there is no monthly fees on fourth wall. So voice is pretty simple and easy to use and very cheaper. Just you have to pay some fees with your transaction, and here you can see I already got one sales or $5, and this is the dashboard of fourth wall. You can add your product. Let me show you how you can add a digital product on your store. Just hit new and select sell digital product, and then this is the little step you have to follow: a product name, product description, and product category if you want. For example, I just want to add my new digital product called GA4 e-commerce tracking for Shopify store. And I just want to add a very short description for make this video shorter. When your description is ready, it's time to select the product category. For me, I just want to pick media and then book, and then I will pick the ebook, of course. Yes, here it is. This is ebook, and this is the very important part: selling price. How much you want to charge for every product. For this product, I want to charge $149, and this is the file you need to upload what you want to deliver when someone purchases this product. You just drag and drop that. Also, you can click on that button and you can simply select your product. For me, I have made a thank you page with integrated URL. I just want to select that PDF from my computer. So it is on the desktop, and here it is. And it will very short, and that's why it will upload quickly. And next, the photography. That's mean media of your product. So you can say in short, it's a product photo. I already made a product photo that I'm going to select and upload it. And here it is. This is my first product photo, and with this recommendation I just want to crop this photo with 3:4 aspect ratio and then hit add photo. And I just want to add another photo because always I love to adding two photo, and that's the same. And when you have ready, just you need to make sure the position is perfect and then done. And here it is, my product uploading is almost done, and now it's time to hit save changes. Okay, so this is unlimited because it's a digital product, and now it's hidden, and I'm going to hit save first, then I will publish that. So you can see when this product is saved, the URL has been changed. If I click on that button, I will see the product page, how the look like. And now it's time to publish this product. When you are happy, then you have to publish this product. Just select publish and then save. And sorry for network error. Yes, here it is. Now this product is published. When your product will publish on your website, it's time to add that same product in your YouTube shop, right? So I just want to do another thing, which is I just want to add this product in the collection list. Okay, so that's why, so that's mean actually very simple. When someone click on the menu with the collection GTM tracking, I just want to show this product on that page. Okay, so this is the quick thing that I want to do. Just go to collections and then select your collections. I already made two collections, and here you can see add product, and just select that product and save, and then save change, yes, changes. And now go to reload this page and see what happened. Yes, the product also displaying here. So I am happy with that. Now I am going to YouTube and I want to add that product on my store. Okay, so for your understanding, I want to make sure one thing. This product I just uploaded quickly. It actually didn't published yet because the fourth will actually reviewing this product. So let's go to store and then customize your product and try to find that product we quickly added. And here you can see it's still under review, but we have ability to add this product on our product section, and you can drag the product and you can place that product whenever you want and where you want. Okay, and then save changes. When this product will publish and active, you will be able to see it on your store as well as your YouTube store list. And within very short time, you will able to see your product on your store section like this. And now anyone can purchase this product from my website, of course. And this is all that I wanted to show you today.